Hello, I'm dyeing my hair orange. I'm using this and it's orange and it smells weird. My bowl is brown because I dyed my hair brown one time. I also only have one glove. I'm dyeing my hair orange because it's September, which means that next month is October, and October is when it's Halloween, and orange is a Halloween color. She's free. I'm gonna prepare the saran wrap. I decided to make a hair dyeing video because I like watching hair dyeing videos on YouTube, and so I thought maybe other people would also like that. I don't use Vaseline or anything on my face because I'm not a pussy. I wrote this song about bugs to put over the time-lapse part. I like worms, and I also like spiders. I like things with little legs and slimy boys and antennas. Ants are pretty cool, I guess, and I like to think about slugs. Snails seem so friendly, I just really like bugs. Okay, now that I look bald and my legs are kind of orange, it's time to make a Halloween costume. So I went to Hobby Lobby the other day. There's a lot of like Jesus themed crafts and some like furry stuff. So I'm gonna be a deer for Halloween. Now my thought was I should get orange flowers because it'll match my hair that I just dyed orange. Alright, I've got a little collection. Next, I'm gonna do the ears, the deer ears. I have a bunch of like beige minky because I'm crafty as fuck, along with my Hobby Lobby Yif thing. Okay, I cut out two of dems. I'm gonna take the white minky and cut out the exact same shape. Okay, triangle. So I'm gonna take my furry stuff and I'm gonna cut it to the same length as my triangle thing. Cool, there's fur in my lungs. It's a little fucked up, but it's not too bad. But I'm choking on this fur. Hobby Lobby, I'm coming for you. There's both of them. I'm gonna try to unfuck this one. Successfully unfucked. I'm gonna flip this one inside out and hopefully it looks okay. Yay! They're gonna be kind of like this, but like I'll look less bald. Alright, I've had my hair dye in for like 3 hours or something. So I guess I'm gonna rinse it out now and maybe have lunch. Okay, bye! Okay, I'm orange now, which is cool. Looks really orange. So I'm just gonna move on to gluing the flowers onto the thingy. And this is what it looks like. I look like a deer. Or like Yoda or something. I just dropped molten hot glue on my leg, and apparently my immediate reaction to that was to try to grab it, pick it up off my leg. So now my leg and my hand are burnt, and it feels great. Okay. My hair is orange, and I have some cute ears now, and I'm ready for the spooky season, and my hand really hurts and I can't do anything with it anymore. This was fine, I guess. Okay, bye.